Hey guys, I'm Gabby from GlassesUSA.com, and I wanted to remind you to not let your FSA dollars go to waste. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use them on our website. Your FSA funds expire December 31st, and your HSA funds never expire. So how do you use your FSA or HSA dollars? It's actually really simple, and there are two ways to use them. If you have an FSA debit card, simply complete your order like you would with any other credit card. And if you don't have a debit card, complete your order and we'll send you an itemized receipt after your purchase. And we've actually linked the form for you in the description below. So what can you buy with your FSA dollars? The best part is that you can actually buy any eyewear product that corrects your vision. Prescription eyeglasses and sunglasses, including single vision, progressives, prescription blue light blockers, and readers. You can even use them to buy contact lenses. Just be sure to read the details of your FSA plan to understand exactly what's covered and what might not be. So what's the best way to place your order? Just go to our website, GlassesUSA.com, and use your FSA card like you would any other credit card. Yes, it is that simple. Don't forget you have until the 31st of December to use your FSA dollars. And our team is here to help. Feel free to reach out to us via chat, phone, or via social media, and we'll answer any questions that you may have. Happy holidays and Happy New Year to you and your families.